4K, so here's a sample of 4K footage right here. It looks pretty good, it's nice and sunny, it does a good job. And then we're gonna bring it down to 2.7K. Guys, I think the 2.7K looks pretty much just as good as the 4K. They're both very clean, very crisp. I like them both. And then just to take a look, here's the 1080p footage. Not quite as good, but it's still definitely usable footage. We're gonna just fly over to this spot over here. Just get myself adjusted, just get myself lined up, and we're gonna compare again. So you can see the 4K and the 2.7K. They look very similar. Both of them are very crisp. That 1080p isn't quite as crisp in this sample, but you saw in the last sample, the 1080p is usable.